Hey, what's up guys? Today this is a little bit of a different kind of video. So right now what we're going to do is find some ice cream for this creation. Don't worry, I'm not in the supermarket to do a prank video. So right now...
What you got?
This looks like expensive ice cream. We're not going to do that. I guess we'll get this frozen wafer scent.
I thought you were going to scoop it in.
Okay, yeah, you're right. So we got to find some Haagen-Dazs.
Let's walk him down. There's some Haagen-Dazs down here.
Looking for like a vanilla ice cream though. Okay.
There's cookies and cream. That looks good.
Yeah, but I don't have a spoon. Okay, let's use this for now then. So I'm gonna make what you call the Subway dessert sandwich.
Huh? Nice.
So we're gonna get this for now, and I guess we can go to the what other section? The spoon section.
Huh? Spoons? Okay.
Yeah, just to scoop this out. So
all right, let's go.
That.
All right, Matt. Is that the spoon you want?
Good enough.
All right.
Okay. How much do those gold sheets cost? Now that we got the ice cream and the spoon,
hell yeah.
Try to go into the Subway and ask for bread, just the bread, so we can make this sandwich.
All right, let's go.
Be right with you.
Go. Let's go. What is it, Matt?
Mission successful.
Uh-huh.
As I said previous, so this is what we got here.
And they charge full price. That's a whole sandwich with nothing in it.
Yep.
They charge full price for just a piece of bread.
So we're gonna open up this sandwich.
Uh-huh.
Okay, where's the spoon? Oh, it's in my pocket.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yep. We're gonna do that.
That
could not ended well.
Yeah, it almost fell off.
Okay, just do
You
that.
got the TNT spoon. Oh, damn.
That would have been really bad. So, ladies and gentlemen, and all in between, this is the Subway dessert sandwich. It looked better in my head. Now it looks like out loud. Oops.
Nice.
And then we get one cookie.
One cookie.
Yeah. I guess we'll just poke it in half.
Nice. Oh, hell yeah.
And ladies and germs, I did it right here.
Nice.
Huh? We're gonna try it now. So, since I kind of went through the effort of making this, so we'll do it.
How's it taste?
Actually pretty good.
Okay, my turn.
Okay.
Oh, pretty good.
See, I told you so. So yeah, this is what this video. I know it's not TCG content, but I want to prove my brother and my friend wrong that this smacks, and it does. So thanks for watching. Woo!
Now she making OnlyFans. Why the fuck your girl in a room spin on the ceiling fan? Huh? Think all my songs fucking stupid. Call me Juice WRLD, bitch, I'm so lucid. Just knocked out all my teeth, now I'm toothless. She wanna keep me in her pocket like they don't think that I'm smart as you go. Hear my songs, why they think that I'm playing?